Welcome back to our second week of STEAM experiments. This week we're going to be doing some art projects, but we're going to need a little help from Mother Nature. So take a bowl, take something, go outside, fill your bowl, your bucket, your pail, whatever you have with some objects from nature, and we're going to create a fun art project. See you in a few minutes. Welcome back. We just went outside and I got some nice leaves and some petals and some flowers. We're going to see what we can create. So I do have tape because sometimes glue is not great, but I have glue too. And a pair of scissors, just in case. And of course, my fun paper. What I don't have is a pencil. Because I can never find them around the room, even though I've hidden 8 million of them. Thank you. So I have a pencil. You could do any type of marker, just in case you want to make some art with that. I think I'm going to make a person with a fancy, flowery hair. So I'm going to draw a face, and it's a happy face. Here's my happy face. Probably can't see it that well because it's, pencil. But first thing I'm going to add is this lovely leaf. And then I'm going to add some more hair. See if I can get any of this to stick. And I'm going to tape a nice pretty flower on top of the leaf. And the stem of the flower just broke off, so let's see if we can. Yeah, my glue isn't really holding too well. Add a little bit more, see if that works. Nature is kind of hard because you have to press down really hard sometimes. This one I'm going to tape because it's so little. And one on the other side, because I do like to be the same on both sides. Try the start of a dress here. Got some more leaves. And a couple dandelions. I'm going to add those in between again with some tape. See if I can create that a little bit darker so you can see how happy my lady is with her fun flower hair and nature dress. Also, I hope it doesn't all fall off when I pick it up. Ooh. Ah! Her dress fell off. Let us see what you make in the comments, and we'll see you next week. Wah, wah. I think we'll tape those down.